Hello and welcome back to IXL Tutorials. This is Mr. Duffick, and today we are doing IXL S1, which is just finding the perimeter of certain shapes. So the only thing you have to know about perimeter is that it is the sum of the measure of all sides. And what that means is you're just going to add all of the outside measurements of the shape like that. So you're going to add 14 with 7 with 9 and then 7 again, and that's going to be your perimeter. Your perimeter is just the measure of how long the outside of the shape is. Okay? So do 14 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7. That's going to be 37. And that's it. 37 centimeters. Okay, so here we have a parallelogram, and it only gives us 10 and 13 here for the slant, but since this is a parallelogram, we know that the top here is going to be the same as the base down here, so 10 feet down up there, 10 feet down here, and then for the slant, 13 feet, and then also over here is going to be 13 feet. So it's going to be 10 plus 10 plus 13 plus 13. So do 10 plus 10 plus 13 plus 13. That's 46. Come back, do 46. Okay, what's the perimeter of the square? Again, they only give you one side, but if you know your square, you know that all four sides have to be the same. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, or 9 times 4, right, is 36. Okay, once you get a little higher, they start throwing decimals at you. Not a big deal. So we'll add 18 plus 12, which is 30, plus 12, which is 42, plus 5, which is 47. And then now let's count the decimals. 0.8 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 is 1. And then 1 plus 0.7 is 1.7. So we're going to add 1.7 to 47. So that's 48.7. Cool. What is the perimeter of the square? 1.4 times 4 is 5.6. Okay. Same thing with this rectangle. You're going to add 4.3 plus 4.3 plus 9.8 plus 9.8. So I'm going to skip a level. A trapezoid has the sides of 12, 2, 12, and 3. What is the perimeter? Okay, you're just going to add all of them together, right? 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 2 is 26, plus 3 is 29. Okay, you can... a square has side lengths of 5.5 millimeters. What's the perimeter? So this is a square, so each side is 5.4. So 5.4 plus 5.4 plus 5.4 plus 5.4, or 5.4 times 4. And that's going to be 21.6. Okay. Same thing for triangle. You're just going to add all three of those together for perimeter. Okay, and once you get to the higher end here, you're going to see that they give you the perimeter of 79 yards, for instance. And then they give you some of the sides, but they ask you to find a missing side. So when you add all three of these together, you're going to get 79. And so if you can't do it in your head, that's totally fine. This is what I would recommend. Okay, so we have 36 plus 36 plus our S, right? S is what we're missing and what we're trying to find. Plus S equals, and then the perimeter is 79 yards. Okay. So we're trying to find our S. So to get S by itself, we'll subtract 36. Let's add the 36 together. So 36 plus 36 is 72. And then plus S equals 79. Okay, now to get S by itself, we're just going to subtract the 72 away, put it over here. So subtract 72, subtract 72 to the other side. Okay, and all we have left is S equals, and what is 79 minus 72? That's just 7. So our missing side right here is going to be 7, and that looks accurate, right? So we'll go back to the problem, type in 7, and there we go. Okay. Same deal here. This one is going to require a little bit of math. The perimeter is 120.4 kilometers, so it's going to be 24.3 plus 24.3 plus A equals 120.4. So just write it out on something like that and do the math and figure out what your missing A is. Which figure has greater perimeter? Okay, well then just count this one and count this one. So it looks like this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an octagon, so this one is going to have 48 meters all around, whereas this one has 18 plus 18 is 36, and then plus 4 and plus 6 is another 10, so that's 46. So this one is 46, this one is 48, so this one has a greater perimeter. And there we go. Okay, that's where I'm going to stop the video. Study hard, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next IXL tutorial video. Goodbye.